Hello students, in my previous video where I had explained the Tempest at course scene 1, we had discussed the conversation between Ferdinand and Prospero. Ferdinand offered the hand of Miranda to Prospero offered the hand of Miranda to Ferdinand, and then he gives a warning also that Ferdinand should never destroy the maidenhood of Miranda before they get married, to which Ferdinand replies that he will not do so, as he was also waiting for the happy married life, and he also assures that he will never break his promise. Then Prospero says, यहाँ से आपका explanation अब होना है. Prospero says, fairly spoke, sit then and talk with her. Prospero is talking to Ferdinand. He says that, well said Ferdinand, now you can sit and you can talk to my daughter. She is thine own. She is referred to Miranda. She is your own, because already Prospero has offered the hand of Miranda to Ferdinand. Then he calls Ariel, because as I have told you earlier, he is now planning to shower blessings over the couple, Ferdinand and Miranda. So he says, my industrious servant Ariel. He is calling Ariel. Industrious means hardworking. Ariel enters. Ariel, what would my potent master? Potent means powerful. Ariel says to Prospero that, what do you desire, my powerful master? Here I am. I am ready to follow your command. Prospero, thou and thy meaner fellows. Prospero here is talking to Ariel, and he says that you and your low-ranked spirits. Meaner fellows is referred to smaller companions, smaller spirits of Ariel, who were under the control of Ariel. So you and your meaner fellows, your last service did worthily performed. So Prospero in a way appreciates Ariel, the way Ariel along with his meaner fellows had done a very great job in organizing a banquet. बैंक्वेट सीन अगर आपको याद हो तो जो रेडिश डिशेस लेकर के स्ट्रेंज फेलोज आए थे, दे वर एक्चुअली द मीनर फेलोज. तो उसी को अप्रिशिएट करता है प्रॉस्पेरो और बोलता है कि यू हैड डन योर लास्ट सर्विस. सो लास्ट सर्विस इज बेसिकली रेफर टू द बैंक्वेट विच वॉज प्रेजेंटेड बाय एरियल. एरियल took the form of harpy in that scene, and then the smaller spirits, they came as strange fellows holding the dishes in their hand. तो प्रॉस्पेरो को रिमाइंड कराता है कि द वे यू हैव परफॉर्म्ड योर लास्ट सर्विस, आई ऑल्सो नाउ ऑल्सो आई नीड योर हेल्प एंड आई मस्ट यूज यू इन सच अनदर ट्रिक. सो आई हैव प्लान्ड अनदर ट्रिक, अनदर मैजिकल ट्रिक. गो ब्रिंग द रैबल. RABBLE. Rabble means fellow spirits, again smaller spirits, over whom I give thee power. Prospero Ariel को बोलता है कि small spirits are the same spirits against whom I have given you power. So you are ruling over them. Here to this place, incite them to quick motion. Now it is your duty to call the small spirits. ठीक है? And incite means ask. So you command them, you ask them to come in a quick motion. Quick motion means quickly. For I must bestow upon the eyes of this young couple some vanity of my art, because I want to present a show of my strong magic in front of this young couple. So who's referred as young couple? Ferdinand and Miranda. So as I have decided that I am going to shower my blessings by presenting a magical spectacle in front of this couple, so now the time has come, and therefore Prospero commands Ariel to bring the rabble, that is the small spirits, some vanity of my art. Vanity means show, art means magic. So Prospero says that now the time has come to present some vanity of his art, and it is my promise and they expect it from me. This is a promise given to my daughter and Ferdinand, and now the time has come to execute this magical spectacle, and they expect it from me. In the last line of this speech, they is referred to the new couple, that is Ferdinand and Miranda. Ariel. Presently means at once. So Ariel, as a loyal servant to Prospero, he agrees and he says that I am ready and I will bring my small spirits. Prospero, yes, with a twink. Twink means with a blink of an eye, the twinkle of an eye. Ariel says, before you can say come and go and breathe twice and cry so. So he's giving two instances before which he's going to present these spirits. So he says that before you say come and go, इसके पहले कि आप बोले come and go, these spirits will come along with me. Before you take twice breathe, because before you twice breathe and you say so, again I am going to present my spirits. Each one tripping up on his toe will be here with mop and mow. Each one. Here each one is referred to the each spirit. So all the spirits, they will be coming, dancing on their toes. Mop means jumping, leaping, and mow means making faces. So all my spirits are ready. The moment you will call, they will come within a twinkle of an eye, and they will come jumping, making faces. Then after saying this, he at once asks a question, and he says, do you love me? So who's asking this question? Ariel is asking this question to Prospero. Do you love me, Master? Master is referred to Prospero. Prospero, dearly my delicate Ariel. Prospero replies that he truly loves Ariel. Do not approach till those hear me call. Then further he instructs that not to come unless and until Prospero calls him. कि जब तक Prospero Ariel को बुलाए ना, कॉल ना करे, तब तक Ariel अपने spirits के साथ enter ना हो. Again Ariel is convinced and he says that I conceive. Conceive means understand. And then Ariel exits. After saying that he has understood and he will only come when Prospero will call him, he exits. Prospero now speaks to Ferdinand. Look thou be true. ये जो स्पीच है इसमें thou वर्ड है, ये फर्डिनेंड के लिए रेफर किया जा रहा है. प्रॉस्पेरो ने बोला कि you have to be very very true. True to what? To your promise. So Ferdinand has earlier assured Prospero that he will be very very loyal and his love towards Miranda will remain innocent. तो Prospero उसी के ऊपर उसको फिर से रिमाइंड कर रहा है और बोल रहा है कि you have to be true to your assurance given to me, to promise given to me. Do not give dalliance too much the rein. So do not give too much freedom to your love making. Okay, so dalliance is another word for love making, and rein, R-E-I-N, rein means freedom. So don't be too loose, don't be too free in expressing your love towards Miranda. The strongest oaths are straw to the fire in the blood, because even the most powerful promises, okay, oaths means promises, even the most powerful promises, they are destroyed like the fire burns in, like the straw burns in the fire. Okay? So it is the passion of a man which destroys even the strongest oaths which he has taken. So do not give too much freedom to your love making, because even the strongest promises are destroyed in the fiery passion. Be more abstemious. Abstemious is another word for restraint, or the more easy word for abstemious is controlled. Be controlled, or else good night your one. Because the moment you will break your promise given to me, okay, the moment you will forget your promise given to me, then your promise will be broken and you will not be considered as a true match or a suitable partner for Miranda. To which Ferdinand replies, I warrant you, sir. Warrant is another word for assure. I assure you, sir, the white cold virgin. White cold virgin refers to cold purity of love. Okay? Pure love, chastity of love. So he says that I can assure you, sir, the cold purity of my love which is present in my heart for Miranda will diminish, abates the odor of my liver. Abates means diminish, destroy. Okay? Odor of my liver means warmth of my love, passionate love, wild love. So the cold purity of my love towards Miranda will definitely diminish or destroy the passion or the warmth of my love. Prospero becomes very happy and he says, well. So well is a reply given to Ferdinand, and then he calls Ariel. He says, now come my Ariel, bring a corollary. Corollary means extra spirits. C-O-R-O-L-L-A-R-Y. So extra spirits. तो एरियल को बोलता है कि now you can come along with your extra spirits. Extra spirits are the same which are referred as rebel, ठीक है, and meaner fellows. rather than want a spirit. So come along with more than the spirits which are required to execute this magical spectacle. Appear and pertly. So come soon. Pertly means quickly. No tongue, all eyes be silent. I want everybody to be silent. Okay? And you have to keep your eyes on and your senses alert, but you do not, but you are not supposed to speak, because otherwise the magic of Prospero will break. So that is why, in order to maintain his magical illusion, he suggests Ariel and the meaner fellows to maintain silence as well as the other characters who are present in the scene. So, and the other characters who are present in the scene are Ferdinand and Miranda. So you are not supposed to forget that this whole mask which is about to come in this scene is basically meant to shower blessings and give happiness to Ferdinand and Miranda. So just after this speech, a soft music begins and the mask portion of the scene is started, in which you will find that all the smaller spirits, they take form of gods and goddesses, and then this magical spectacle is executed. So यहाँ तक पे आप टिक लगा लीजिए, and in continuation I will explain you the mask. And do not forget to sit along with your text, otherwise you will not understand anything. Okay, so goodbye.